Over 9 out of 10 drivers are unknowingly destroying their cars with everyday habits that mechanics see every single day. The scary part? These mistakes are quietly costing people thousands in repairs, while they could have been prevented with simple knowledge most driving schools and even some techs keep quiet about. One wrong move with your transmission could hit you with a $5,000 bill, and you've probably been doing it for years. Stick with me because I'm pulling back the curtain on 17 little-known driving secrets that can save you serious money, extend your car's life, and keep you out of the shop. These aren't gimmicks, they're real-world tactics from years under the hood and on the road. Don't skip ahead. Your wallet and your car will thank you. Tip number 17, mirror auto-tilting trick. You're easing into a tight parking spot, revering blind, and hopping those rear wheels don't kiss the curb. Most drivers guess and pray, ending up with scratched rims, bent wheels, or worse. Here, what your driving instructor probably never showed you. Most modern cars have a built-in mirror auto-tilt feature that drops your side mirrors down automatically when you shift into reverse. Suddenly you get a crystal-clear view of exactly where your back tires sit relative to the curb. It's usually hidden deep in the settings menu or owner's manual that collects dust in your glove box. Turn it on once and you'll never scrape another rim. We're talking hundreds of dollars saved on wheels, alignments, and suspension fixes that shops love charging for. Master this one and you've already protected your ride. But wait until you hear what cruise control might be doing to your transmission behind your back. Tip number 16, use cruise control only on flat roads. Cruise control feels like pure freedom, set it and zone out. But on hills and mountain roads, it becomes a silent transmission killer. The system fights to hold your exact speed by constantly upshifting and downshifting, hammering the torque converter, clutch packs, and bands. Over time, this excessive wear leads straight to slipping, overheating, and that dreaded transmission failure. A full rebuild can run $3 to $5 grand easy. Mechanics rarely volunteer this info because those jobs pay the bills. The fix is simple. On hilly terrain, take manual control. Your transmission will thank you with smoother shifts and a much longer life. Now let's talk about a roadside emergency hack that can get you moving fast when your battery looks dead. Tip number 15, the Coca-Cola battery hack. You pop the hood and see thick white crusty corrosion covering your battery terminals. Power not getting through and panic sets in. Before you call a tow or drop cash on a new battery, grab a bottle of Coke. The phosphoric acid in it neutralizes the alkaline corrosion in minutes. Pour it on, let it fizz, scrub with an old brush or rag, rinse clean and reconnect. Often your car fires right up. Shops charge $75 to $150 for the same cleaning. You just did it for pocket change. It's basic chemistry mechanics have known forever, they just prefer billing you for professional service. You're now equipped for that next dead battery moment, but this next habit might be costing you even more every single day. Tip number 14, keep your gas tank above 1/4. It feels smart to squeeze every last mile out of a tank, right? Wrong. Running below a quarter tank pulls your fuel pump into dangerous territory. That pump is designed to stay cooled and lubricated by sitting in gasoline. When the level drops, it starts sucking sediment, rust, and debris off the tank floor while running hotter and harder. That junk clogs filters, damages injectors, and eventually kills the pump itself. Replacement runs $600 to $1,200. Gas stations love empty tank drivers because they stop more often. Mechanics love the resulting fuel system repairs. Stay above 1/4 and your fuel system stays happy and reliable. Speaking of staying comfortable without breaking the bank. Tip number 13, roll down windows before turning on AC. Your car been baking in the sun and the inside feels like an oven. Jumping in and blasting the AC maxed out makes the compressor work overtime against superheated air. Instead, crack the windows for 30 to 60 seconds first to vent that scorching air. Then turn on the AC. You'll cool down faster, burn less fuel, and put way less strain on the compressor. A full AC compressor replacement can cost $800 to $1,500. This tiny habit dramatically extends its life and keeps repair bills away. Shops won't highlight it because AC work is pure profit. Tip number 12, clearer headlights wax trick. You finally restore those foggy headlights and they look brand new for a couple months. Then the haze returns. The plastic lenses oxidize fast under UV rays. Restoration cleans the oxidation, but without protection, the sun immediately starts the cycle again. The missing step pros use: a good coat of car wax right after polishing. It takes 2 extra minutes and costs almost nothing, yet creates a barrier that keeps headlights crystal clear far longer. Detail shops do this quietly so you'll come back sooner. Now you know the complete process for lasting results. Tip number 11, hidden keyhole car door. Dead battery, key fob useless, freezing cold parking lot. Most people think modern cars have no backup key access. Wrong. Almost every vehicle still has a traditional keyhole hidden under a small cover on the driver's door handle. Pop the cover, insert your physical key, and you're in. 30 seconds and no locksmith bill. Locksmiths and dealers make good money on emergency lockouts. Now you're prepared instead of stranded. Quick favor, if these tips are already opening your eyes, smash that like button. It helps me keep delivering this kind of content. Thanks, let's keep rolling. Tip number 10, don't rest your foot on the brake pedal. That casual left foot hover on the brake while cruising might feel harmless, but it's quietly murdering your brakes. Even light pressure drags the pads against the rotors, creates constant heat, and accelerates wear. Pads that should last 30 to 70,000 miles can be chewed through in half that time. Add warped rotors and you're looking at $300 to $800 for a full brake job. Ditch the habit, keep your left foot on the dead pedal and your brake components will last much longer. Mechanics see this mistake constantly because brake service is steady money. Tip number 9, baking soda odor clean. Nasty smells from spills, pets, or forgotten gym bags turn your car into a rolling embarrassment. Fancy ozone treatments at the dealer run $100 or more. Baking soda does it better for pennies. Generously sprinkle it over seats, carpets, and mats. Let it sit overnight or for a full day, then vacuum thoroughly. It absorbs odors at the molecular level instead of masking them. No fake fragrances, just fresh air. You'll save a fortune and handle odors like a pro. Tip number 8, keep tires 3 above door sticker. The tire pressure sticker on your door jamb is set for comfort, not maximum tire life or efficiency. Running 3 higher than recommended reduces rolling resistance, improves fuel economy, and helps tires wear more evenly. Underinflated tires flex more, build heat, and wear faster. That sweet spot gives better handling and fewer blowout risks without going dangerously high. Tire shops prefer you wear them out quicker. Now you're maximizing every mile. Tip number 7, turn off your AC before shutting off the car. Shutting off the engine while the AC is still running traps moisture in the evaporator core, leading to mold, mildew, and that nasty, musty smell every startup. It also stresses the compressor on every cold start. Better way, a minute before you park, kill the AC but keep the fan on high to dry everything out. Then shut the fan and engine off. Cleaner system, longer compressor life, no more swamp smell. Compressor or evaporator repairs run hundreds to over 1,000. This habit prevents both. Tip number 6, don't idle for more than 30 seconds. Old advice says let the car warm up for 10 or 15 minutes in cold weather. Modern engines disagree. 30 seconds of idling is plenty. Then drive gently to warm everything up faster and more efficiently. Prolonged idling wastes fuel, builds carbon deposits, contaminates oil quicker, and does almost nothing useful for the engine. You're literally burning money and shortening service intervals. In extreme sub-zero temps, give it a little extra. Otherwise, 30 seconds and go. Tip number 5, power of car shifting handles. Your automatic shifter has those lower gears 1, 2, L, etc. for a reason. On steep descents, drop to a lower gear for engine braking instead of riding the brakes, prevents fade and overheating. Towing or climbing hills, lower gears deliver more torque and stop constant hunting that cooks the transmission. Stuck in snow or mud, start in second for better traction with less wheel spin. Using these intelligently can save you from a $3,000 to $5,000 transmission rebuild. Driving schools barely cover it, but now you're ahead of the game. Tip number 4, anti-glare rear view trick. Night driving with bright headlights or high beams behind you can blind you through the rear view. Flip that small tab or lever at the bottom of the mirror and it instantly switches to night mode, cutting glare dramatically while keeping visibility. This simple mechanical trick has been around since the 1930s. Auto-dimming mirrors do it electronically, but the manual version works perfectly. Safer drives, less eye strain, fewer close calls. Tip number 3, never turn your wheel while parked. Cranking the steering wheel hard while the car is stationary, called dry steering, puts massive stress on the power steering pump, rack, tie rods, and ball joints. Always move the car slightly, even an inch or two, while turning. The forces distribute naturally and you cut wear by a huge margin. Steering repairs run hundreds to over 1,000. Never dry steer and your steering system can last the life of the vehicle. Tip number 2, don't rest your hand on the shifter. Resting your hand on the gear selector might feel natural, but you're applying constant pressure to the selector fork and synchronizers inside the transmission. Over tens of thousands of miles, this creates premature wear, grinding, and shifting problems. Keep your hand on the wheel or your leg instead. Only touch the shifter when actually changing gears. This small change can prevent expensive internal transmission damage that runs $2 to $4 grand. Tip number 1, clean throttle body. Carbon, oil, and gunk build up on the throttle plate over time, causing rough idle, hesitation, bad fuel economy, and check engine lights. Dealers charge $150 to $300 to clean it. You can do it yourself in 15 minutes with a can of throttle body cleaner for under $10. Remove the air intake boot, spray the plate while gently opening it with the gas pedal, let it soak, then idle it out. Do this every 20 to 30,000 miles and your engine will breathe freely again. Simple maintenance that delivers noticeable results. If these tips just saved you money and headaches, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with which one surprised you most. Want even more mechanic secrets mechanics don't want you sharing? Check out the next video. Drive safe out there, your car deserves it.